Welcome back to another episode of Telegram Files, your ultimate series for discovering money-making Telegram channels. Today, I'm thrilled to share a Telegram group that lets you copy trades for free, offering a fully passive way to earn money. It's called Gold Copy Trading, and I'll share how to join in just a moment. According to their latest message, all you need to do is text the word "free" to the admin to get started. Since I couldn't find the group's direct link, I'll include the admin's Telegram handle in the description below, so you can contact them to be added. Let's scroll through the group to see what they're all about. You'll find a link to their master account, which you can check out to verify their trading performance. Right now, they're running an exciting challenge, turning $350 into $5,000 in just 61 days by trading gold. You can dive deeper into the details in their pinned messages or channel info, where the challenge is outlined. It's a bold goal, and they're sharing their trades for you to copy passively. This group is perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a hands-off side hustle, but as always, here's the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research. Trading involves significant risk, and you should only risk what you can afford to lose. If you're loving Telegram Files and want to support the series, consider donating to the USDT address in the description. It really helps keep these videos coming. Thanks for watching this episode of Telegram Files. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch every money-making channel in this playlist. See you in the next one.